UW Health clinical dietitian Michelle Swader is back with us. Welcome to you.
Thank you.
Happy end of August already.
Right.
Kids heading back to school. We're talking about packing tips for lunches in this month's health segment. So it's all about the packing.
Yes, you can save yourself a lot of stress if you're organized at the beginning. So one of the things that really organized folks will do will actually devote a cupboard or a drawer to some of their supplies, some of their shelf-stable things, their silverware, so they don't have to keep crisscrossing the kitchen. They can just get it done a lot faster.
Things like this?
And definitely having the right equipment is going to help. So if you know that you've got some big containers that you want to serve for leftovers, make sure you have a big tote. You know, a lot of people try to get by with a small one, but if you're taking a lot of leftovers, it might just not fit in all that well.
Water bottle?
Water bottle, that's something you can also put in the refrigerator to keep it cool, to help with refrigeration, along with any kind of ice pack that you can freeze. And so that just helps keep things cold if you have some things like that.
And portions are the key.
Yes, so if you have something that you need to even dip, like salsa or cheese dip, you can use smaller containers, salad dressing containers. You can put a smaller salad container in with your big salad just to make sure there's no drips. Definitely having silverware, just having everything that you need on hand is going to make things a lot less stressful. Nobody's going to forget something, not have a spoon if they need one.
And some foods that you can buy prepared.
Yes, this is the challenge that a lot of families have, the convenience versus the cost factor. These items are a lot of things that are just grab and go. You can buy them ready to go. The portions are correct. The apple juice is no sugar added. But with a little creativity and a little ingenuity, you can make all these things yourself by making them and portion them out ahead of time, making your own personalized trail mix with things you like. So it's definitely helpful if the kids get involved. Not only is this great all for grown-ups, but for kids, choosing things that they like, and you can do that by pre-planning too if you wanted to make a menu or kind of a meal plan that you can shop off of.
And something like this would help too.
Right, that's something you can easily find something like that online to help kind of organize, especially the first couple weeks of school can always be a little bit stressful. So if you can do a little forethought, it helps the packing and the eating and the kids' acceptance of the things. It's going to work a lot better.
You got your main course, veggies, fruit, something fun?
Something fun is interesting because it can be a dessert. It can always be a joke of the day. It can be a little message from the parents. It could be anything that just, you know, breaks up the day a little bit.
But as you say, getting the kids involved can be kind of fun too.
Yes, if they're choosing which vegetables they're eating, they're more likely to eat them instead of throw them out or trade them away or something like that. And anything that they can do to help, if they can make their own trail mix, if they can roll up a meat and cheese, just gives them something to do. Might slow down the process a little bit, but it definitely gets them involved.
It's hard to believe it's back to school already, isn't it?
I know, it goes so fast.
Well, Michelle, great ideas as usual.
Thank you.
We'll see you next month.
All right.
And you'll have a final check of your forecast.